Welcome to another episode where I'll be showing you from New Wales to Sweetland or Asia District in the parish of Manchester, Jamaica. For those of us who haven't subscribed as yet, now is the time to please go ahead, like, share, subscribe to the channel for more, turn that notification bell on, and just enjoy the ride. As I said, this is in New Wales. So after leaving KnockPatrick, where I stopped at the post office, then this video continues from there, heading through New Wales into Asia, South Manchester. And New Wales here, this little section is home to a lot of Northern Caribbean university students or university students in the parish. So just in case you're in this vicinity and you're looking for somewhere to rent, there's always accommodations in this location, especially to your left there. That community is very well known to students renting those places for accommodation to stay for Northern Caribbean University. And we'll be heading further down to where the Jamaica Bauxite Company, they tend to do a lot of mining for aluminum. And so you'll find out that there's a lot of places that are still not developed because after persons have moved out, the land is left a little bit bare. And so persons tend to move other places after bauxite has, used up the land, despite them trying to get in the area populated. So you'll find out that there's still a lot of places that are still not populated at this time, and that is due to bauxite mining the area and then getting the area repopulated with persons. So we're gonna make a right turn here, and this is like a through road into New Wales, which is gonna take us back into Asia. And as you can see, there are a lot of houses that are have started, but they're still not finished as yet. A lot of persons still have their lands there that they've received from Bauxite, but they haven't started building on it. And it's, I guess, because a lot of you don't have your fruit trees and all back on your land, so people are a little bit hesitant, or it's a case where they've lost interest in a land that has already been, used up by the bauxite company. But for the most part, people are still building some really wonderful houses there. There are lands for sale, so just in case, you want to be a part of the community, you can always come and check it out and see what land you're interested in. And then from there, but otherwise, this is, the community of New Wales. And as you can see, the road is very pitchy-patchy. Yeah, for years it has been like this. Every now and again, you know, persons will just go ahead and get certain areas of the road fixed, or the government will try and get certain areas of the road fixed. At this time, I think the, politics was in session, so persons were doing like a day's job with cleaning the road, and then you were getting little piece areas of the road being patched up by the MP for that area. These dogs, they felt as though they wanted to just run into the car and eat up the entire car. Don't know what was up with them. We're currently driving through Woodstock in the parish. So after leaving through New Wales, then we head into Woodstock, and then we'll be heading down to Lancaster. We're currently in Lancaster in the parish. So after Woodstock, then it's Lancaster. We're heading down towards Hermitage. And just like in any other community, there's always going to be like little bars and shops. There's not any supermarkets down here. They have some little local like hardware kind of businesses, so you can find one and two little items. You don't have to necessarily go into Mandeville to get all of those supplies at all times. But either way, there are buses on the road, taxis on the road that you can actually take into Mandeville. The drive from Sweetland or from Asia in the parish takes roughly, let's say, about 45 minutes. and it's more because of the road system. The road is very bad, especially when it rains. Depending on where you're going, sometimes it might be difficult for you to actually get a taxi, because sometimes the taxis just decide that it's raining, so they're not going to be able to go back into Mandeville, because of the amount of water that they probably have to encounter during those transports. And down this section, we have different churches, Seventh-day Adventist churches. We have the Catholic Church. We just passed the Seventh-day Adventist Church of Lancaster on the left just a while ago. But we have high schools down here. Down this section is the well-known Winston Jones Comprehensive High School, or Winston Jones High School to be exact. That is from this little area as well in Prattville. We also have Prattville Primary School, which is my, primary school back in the days. There is also basic schools there. What else? Yeah, and as I said, there's little restaurants. There's a little place where you can do your washing, your laundry, and all the little things that the middle community would normally have. But as I say, remember, there's a lot of bauxite mining going on. As you can see, the quality of the dirt is very good. So there's still a lot of bauxite mining going on in different places, especially on the right. And we'll drive through a little area that you'll see on both sides where they've already mined the land. And as I say, the roads is very bad. I know myself, the road system has always been bad. And it's only whenever you have politics season coming in that you'll have persons tend to be clearing the roads or be patching the little areas on the road. But for the most part, it's a pretty quiet community down this side. It's a farming community. You name the fruits and it's down this side, and they're all very sweet, and it's just a very homely place that you can actually relax and enjoy the rural life of Jamaica. To the left, or to the right exactly, right here, that white building, there used to be a factory there back in the day, but it's not being used anymore. And all of the land to your left is already being mined out by the bauxite company in Jamaica here in this little small rural town of Hermitage. And we're currently approaching the Hermitage Square, or the district itself. This is the main area of Hermitage, and to the left is where the Frankfield Primary School will have been. That's a police van heading down to the police station. I think they're probably going to the Asia Police District station. But yeah, this is currently in Hermitage. We're currently heading into Asia District, and to the left at the square is the direction towards Asia Seventh-day Adventist Church, and right here they call it Baker Shop. Years ago, there was a shop here that they used to do different things. Now it's a place that is home to like a little hardware that sells a lot of supplies as well. And to the left is gonna be the Catholic Church Basic School on your left, right here at this palm, right at this left here, and then right at this pink building the shop here, we're going to make a right, which is going to take us directly into Sweetland district, which will end the video for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel for more. Turn that notification bell on.